Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SUNW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But a very, very nice move on the day. When you stop and think about the price where it was at its lows here and then where it's ultimately worked its way up to. Now, yeah, a lot more work needs to be done. But still, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it closed, good solid move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But instead of, kind of wondering, we can just use some good old-fashioned levels here on the chart. That'll be actually very revealing, assuming we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, true strength, are going to make progress forward. And the price is not going to go back to where it was. So assuming we can agree on that logic, then, this 250 mark is going to be very helpful. Because one potential scenario, and I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, maybe the price comes down to 250, behaves in that manner, and then breaks to the downside. What would you have at that point? Well, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, like I said, but price movements that make a nice move and then go right back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. But to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $2.50. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, key level to watch moving forward, you're going to be right up here at the $3.50 mark. So keep a close eye on 350. But all in all, nice movement today. Nice way to start off the week. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.